Hello everyone, and thank you for enrolling in my 10-part Master Affiliate Profits YouTube Viral Funnel. I'm thrilled to have you on this journey and excited about the opportunities ahead. Today, I'm going to help you set yourself up to receive free traffic directly from a blog post titled Master Affiliate Profit Success Stories, Real User Testimonials. Now let me ask you, would you like to generate free traffic and the related commissions that traffic could bring you? I thought so. Remember, with our frictionless enrollment process, you can join Master Affiliate Profits for free. As a free member, you'll gain access to a basic getting started training package valued at $600. Plus, you'll be eligible to earn a generous 25% commission on referred sales. If you decide to become a paid member of Master Affiliate Profits at any level, you'll double the amount of free traffic you'll receive. I'm also seeking testimonials from you regarding your experience with the 10-part YouTube viral funnel and how you've benefited from Dori's Daily Dose, 365 days of motivational emails. Your insights are invaluable, and they can inspire others to take action. I want to extend an exciting opportunity here. I'm opening this up to the first 100 people who leave a testimonial. It's a first-come, first-served basis, and you'll be eligible even if you haven't joined Master Affiliate Profits at the time you record your testimonial video. Now let me explain how easy it is to leave a video testimonial. There's a link below this video that you can click. Once you do, you'll be directed to a page where you simply click the purple bar that reads Leave a Video Testimonial. Follow the provided instructions, record your testimonial, and voila. Once you submit your testimonial, I'll personally add it to the blog post, and if you've joined Master Affiliate Profits via my affiliate link, I'll also include your link in a rotator. This means I'll be running paid traffic to that page, and all leads generated will be evenly distributed to everyone who leaves a testimonial. After you've recorded your testimonial, my team and I will review it to ensure everything looks great. Before we finish, don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel for more insights and tips on maximizing your Master Affiliate Profits experience. And all you need to do next is send your Master Affiliate Profits affiliate link to Jody. Her email can be found below this video. Thank you once again for being part of the Master Affiliate Profits community. I'm looking forward to your testimonials and all the success we will create together. See you soon.